Okay, now we want to prepare the knife, okay, the weapons. Okay, we need to prepare the weapons, okay, for our character melee attack. Okay, same thing, we're using this blender kit. Okay, we search for the knife or sword that you want to use. Okay, we have. Okay, I'm using this. Okay, so delete the cameras. Okay, the hunting knife here. Okay, so for this one, because we wanted to hold our knife here, so we need to put our okay, we need to put our knife in this area. Okay, so we need to put it as okay, set the origin now. So origin to the 3D cursor. So now it will be holding the knife like this. Okay, so save it. Okay, so export to the knife that we wanted to use. Um, my God. Okay, so we wanted to put it. Okay, we want to put it in photos. Okay, so I put it as a knife. Export. Okay, so now you goes to your knife and then I put it in the character material models here. I put inside the model, so I rename it as items. Okay, so now I have this knife. Just drag and drop to here. Okay, so now put your knife to this your hand here. Okay, so you will notice that your knife, oh, make it as a 0, 0, 0. So it's roughly here. Okay, so you can have the rotation. Okay. Knife here. Oops. So it's 90 degree. Okay, something you can place it in the hand like this. Okay, so now when you move around, your knife also will move around. So for your hit points, okay, it's roughly here. The range. Okay, so we'll put it roughly here. Okay, in the middles. Okay, we roughly put it there in the hit points. Okay, so roughly there. Okay, so now done. Okay, we try with our system to put our knife. So what you can